Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Know About Embedded System. In today's video, we will understand how to scroll the display on the LCD. The scroll in the sense movement, like you might have already seen on the vehicles. The string will be shifted from right to left and left to right. In the same way, so on the LCD also we can scroll the text from left to right and right to left. That we will see in today's video. So before starting the video, if you are new viewer to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and gain the knowledge on embedded system. Let us start the video, how to scroll the text on the LCD. So guys, LCD, you know that already. It is a liquid crystal display and it is used to print the characters. It's nothing but all English characters and all our alphanumerical and so on. So I have already one more video. In that video, I have already explained what is LCD and how to develop the coding for the LCD. You please watch that video. You'll understand how to develop the code. But today's video purely will be concentrating only to scroll the text on the LCD. So yes, so now here, if you remember in my regular LCD programming part, so there I have explained in LCD we have different commands are there. Totally 16 commands are there to configure your LCD. Out of those, I might have taught almost 5 to 6 commands I might have told in the regular YouTube class, but today I'll be explaining 2 commands which exclusively defined for scrolling or shifting the data from left to right and right to left. You can see here command number 11 and command number 12. These 2 commands, command number 11, it is nothing but 18 0x18 and 0x1c. These 2 commands are used to shift the entire display from left to right and right to left. So we have to utilize these 2 commands and we have to develop the coding to scroll the display from left to right and right to left. You can also use this and you can develop the coding. Okay, so with this, let us go back to the coding, and in the coding I'll tell you where we have to do the changes. So guys, here I'm not teaching complete LCD programming here, but I already told you I have a different video. In that video I have explained in detail what is LCD and how to develop the LCD coding. So entire 2 major videos are there. You please watch those videos to understand how to develop the coding for LCD. Okay, but here I'm just concentrating only on scrolling. So now in this code I'm going to use the functions which I have already used in the regular class. I'm not developing from the scratch. I'm going to use the existing functions. Okay, I'll just for instance I'll show you here. You can see this is my LCD configuration function and this is my LCD command transmission and this is my LCD data, like that. More than 5 to 6 different functions we have developed in the regular class, regular video. You can watch that video. I'll update the link in the description box. Now here, first what we have to do, the first thing is we have to configure the LCD. That I'm doing in line number 17. And second thing, so what I am going to do, I'm going to print the string. I'll be printing string here. So whichever you want you can print. I'll be printing my channel name here. I'm going to print the first one. This is my first string. I'll be printing first string in a first row, 0x80. So this is my first command I'll be using. And the second command. So in the second row I want to print embedded system. So this is my string. I'm going to print first. In the first row I'm going to print know about. In the second string I'll be printing embedded system. Okay, so now what I will do, the actual magic now I'm going to do. So this will print on the LCD, and the second thing is keep it in an infinite loop, and you have to call the command. So what command I have to call? I have to call the command which is defined for scrolling display, that is 18. The command number 18, nothing but 0x18. This command will shift the data left side every time. It is going to shift one character left. Okay, and then you can just provide a small delay here. I'll provide some around 50 here. So that's that much only the code. Very simple code, very easier code to scroll the display is very simple. So what we have to do is, so we have to use this command. This is very simple. The first step, you print the text whatever you want, and second thing, you keep it in. This is very important. So keeping in a while of one also is very important. So or else what it will happen, it will scroll only one bit or one shift it will happen. But when you keep it in while of one, continuously it is going to scroll. So that's why keep it in mind. First thing is command we have to use. Second thing is we have to use while of one, and provide a necessary delay at least around 0.1 second, at least 0.5 second you can give the delay, so that the characters will display for a 0.5 second like that. Okay, so only this much the coding. Okay, so I'll do the setup to flash the coding. I'm going to flash it now, and I will show you output. So now you can see here data is scrolling left to right. Yes, now you can see the text is scrolling from left to right to left. So now you can see the text is moving from left to right. So same thing you can do it from right to left as well, left to right as well. So both way you can do it. Now you can see the text is scrolling from left to right. The text is scrolling from right to left, not left to right. Yeah, now you can see very clearly the text is scrolling from right to left. Right to left you can do it. Yeah, so in this way, so as I told you guys already, the important thing lies in two things. One is the command. So currently I have used command 18. The command 18 is here is used to scroll from right to left. Similar to that, you can use 1C as well, which I have shown you already. You can see the 18 is to shift the data towards left side, right to left, and 1C is used to shift towards right. So this is the first thing, and second thing is keep it in while of one and provide minimum delay. So if you use these 3 points, so definitely it is easier to scroll the display. Okay. So I hope this video is clear to all. If you feel this video is an informative video, please click on like button and subscribe my YouTube channel.